Welcome back, drinks fans. I am Steve the Barman and I help you at home, give you inspiration to help you make better cocktails, fun cocktails, and help you enjoy yourselves even more. In this video, this is part 4 of my vodka series. I don't know when it's going to end. I am loving this. This is really good fun. I take in 3 cocktails, 3 famous vodka cocktails, and kind of flipping them up and putting fun new twists on them. That's what I love doing. That's what I'm all about. You will not find the pretentious cocktails on this channel. You will not find how to make an old-fashioned, or you will find out how to make a mojito, but I'm not about that. I'm all about fun, inspiration. That's what we're here. Today's cocktails, today's videos, I'm going to recipes. I'm going to take the vodka Collins, I'm going to take the French martini, and I'm going to take the lemon drop martini and make them and serve them as you've never seen before. A little bit of housekeeping as always. Smash that like button if you like me, if you like the video. Really, that helps me so much growing this channel. Smash that like button. The recipes will be below in the description, along with any kind of ingredients I've used, links to get. And then finally, obviously, there will be chapters across the bottom as well, so you can kind of skip if you watched it the first time and then want to skip back to a cocktail again. Just use the chapters. You have to watch it the first time though. So, cocktail number 1, the vodka Collins. This is not too crazy. I'm not taking like I did the Moscow Mule and turning it into a martini. I'm going to stick with the Collins, but I'm just going to give you kind of different flavour sort of thing to kind of inspire you that way. So really simple, this one. You could just build this in a glass if you fancy it, but I'm going to shake it. I'm going for a rhubarb and cinnamon Collins. All right, so ingredient number 1, I'm cracking out the rhubarb vodka, and also obviously this is going to work for rhubarb gin as well. So you could use a rhubarb gin Collins, that'll be fine. If we haven't got rhubarb, you could use plain vodka and some rhubarb syrup, because there is I'm using cinnamon as my sweetener in this, not normal sugar, but you could go that way. There is, if you know, not many people that have it. I haven't got one actually. I kind of need to invest in that. But obviously, likes of Giffard bowls maybe, and Kuiper do a rhubarb liqueur, so you could go that way as well. But rhubarb, love it. Right, sticking to the whole US thing throughout this whole series. So 2 ounces. So I've got 10 there, and then 50 ml there. 2 ounces double bubble of your rhubarb vodka. I love JJ. Oh, it's just like pops of rhubarb. Oh, it's amazing, amazing. I've just thought of another rhubarb thing I've got. Top shelf. Is that the one? Top shelf. We've obviously got Absolute's rhubarb juiced there. So, you know, it's loads of different things you could use, but I love this. So I've got my rhubarb, lemon juice, freshly squeezed lemon juice. I'm going 30 ml, 1 ounce of lemon juice in there. And then the sweetener is kind of, you know, adjust for your palate. I'm going cinnamon syrup. For this, rhubarb and cinnamon, kind of like the whole, like crumbles, rhubarb crumble and that. Oh, delicious. I'm going 15 ml in here. You could add more, simply because the mixer after the shake is plain soda water. Seltzer water to you guys across the pond. So yeah, you could add, it's not Sprite, it's not lemon lime soda, so you could add a little bit of sweetness, a little bit of extra sweetness if you wanted to. There's no hard and fast rule. Everyone's got a different palate. So I try and teach, you know, try and get it through to you guys. It's not one recipe fits all. It's kind of a just to taste. Just to taste. Right, fill your cocktail shaker up completely with ice. High fast shake, 10-12 seconds. Right, that's nicely shaken up. I'm going for some soda water. Supermarket owned is fine for this, if we can open it. Absolutely fine. Normally I've got Schweppes, he says, but I've used it up, so I just quickly got this the other day. Soda water, I'm going the same as the base alcohol, so 60 ml of soda water. And you could, flavoured soda waters, there's tons of them. Sorry, flavoured seltzer waters as well. You know, there's tons of them about now, so have a little play. Rhubarb, what would work with rhubarb? You could even use, I've used this in a previous video, you could even use like rhubarb tonic water. That'll kind of do the same sort of job, but give it a fun little twist on it. So, right, to serve this up, I'm going in, I'm going to use fresh ice. I've got loads of ice. I'm loving my new cubes, my massive 3 centimetre whoppers. Whoppers. Look at them, huge. Right, just single strain. You could do shake and dump, no right or wrong. Just single strain into there. love using this glass for Collins. There we go, perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And then garnish. Love using rhubarb with this. Sprig of mint, that'll work a treat. And waste not, want not, let's use that straw. There we go, rhubarb and cinnamon Collins. Oh, that's so good. Oh, wow. Actually, do you know what? For me, I'll be honest, I might have even dialed the cinnamon back down a tiny, tiny little bit. 10ml might have worked perfectly for that. I've got to think that rhubarb vodka, because it pops the flavour, is a little bit sweeter. Oh, but that is so good. Oh. When is the sun coming out? That is. The next cocktail can wait. Oh, that is fun. I'm just thinking of other ways you could flip that up. Like lemon tonic water, the lemon, the citrus in there, flavoured tonics. I just like the rhubarb and cinnamon doing the work, to be fair, but oh, that is so good. Right. Yeah, this one's going to be a bit nuts. So, the French martini, vodka, Chambord, pineapple juice. I'm sticking to the vodka, I'm sticking to raspberry, and I'm sticking to pineapple, but we ain't using juice. And I ain't even shaking this cocktail either. I'm stirring. I am stirring. So, the barman's gone a bit nuts, isn't he? Barman's gone mental. Right, the first ingredient is, I'm killing two birds with one stone. We have plain vodka and then we have Chambord raspberry liqueur. I'm using raspberry vodka. Again, going back to the whole JJ thing, it's just like raspberry juice. It's alcoholic raspberry juice, it literally is. Right, 60ml double bubble to, oh, I've got 20ml there. 60ml double bubble of raspberry vodka, so better do 40 this time. There we go, 40ml. 40 and 20 is 60. Lovely jubbly. Lovely jubbly. So I've got the raspberry covered, I've got the vodka covered, the pineapple is coming from Giffard, my old mate's Giffard, Caribbean pineapple liqueur. Oh, again, stick a straw in this. I'm going 15ml, half an ounce of pineapple. Again, add a tiny bit more if you wanted to, not a problem. And then the third ingredient, believe it or not, I did have a little play with this, and I'm actually adding just a tiny, tiny little bit of honey syrup. And all this is honey with more water to make it more runny honey, which is perfect for cocktails. I don't want much, but pineapple and honey I absolutely love. So I did try it with 10ml, and that was a bit too much. So I'm going 5ml, just 5ml of honey syrup. Not too much at all. So it's kind of like old-fashioned sort of territory. Right then, so that is the ingredients. No citrus. I'm sticking to the whole raspberry and pineapple thing. I'm just going to stir this down now. For my golden rule with stirring, this is just me, again, personally. I like to stir to dilute the ice so the liquid has doubled in volume. Sometimes with these whoppers of ice cubes, it will probably take a bit longer. It might take a minute and a half. Sometimes if you're using wet ice, like the tubed ice, it might take you sort of like 30 seconds. But just give it a good stir to double the volume. Adding more cubes of ice when necessary. Right, that is about a minute and a half, 90 seconds, maybe slightly more, but I think that's about perfect. The dilution, you need that dilution to take the sort of edge away from the alcohol. The water, the dilution is vital to cocktails like this. So don't think, oh, he's watering it down. It's the same as shaking. The whole point of shaking is to chill it and add that dilution to it. So, Nick and Nora glass in there. I'm just going to single strain wherever my strain has gone. There it is. Used it enough. Because I don't need to double strain because there's no little tiny shards of ice in there. So, single strain. Perfect. And then I've just got one ready. My frozen raspberry kebab. I've got frozen, right? I've got frozen everything in the freezer beside me. So I just have frozen raspberries and blackberries. It's just perfect. It's just when I grab them when I need them. But raspberry kebab. So there we go. That is a French martini as you flipping never well seen it before. And there's nothing French about it really either. Depends where the pineapple comes from in the Caribbean. Depends if it comes from the French Quarter. Morning honey, that's French. That is so much better than the original French martini. I bet I've got raspberry on my nose now from the kebab. Oh, boozy, raspberry, a tiny bit of honey in there as well. Honestly, French martini. There you go. That is so good. Apologies if I've got raspberry on my snout. I can stay there. Right then, what are we doing for cocktail? Oh yeah, the lemon drop martini in a kind of rocks glass. But there's another little flavour coming with this as well. So the lemon drop martini is obviously vodka. Some people would use citrus vodka, lemon juice and sugar shaken down. Okay, that is essentially a lemon drop martini. I've served my lemon drop martinis throughout the years using, using limoncello. I do love using limoncello, so I'm going to keep to that, but I'm going to flip up the vodka, and I've got a quality little syrup coming as well. So, last cocktail glass. I'm all sticky. That'll do. Sorry, that'll do. So the vodka I'm going to do for this is vanilla vodka. So I'm kind of taking, so we're still sticking to that whole lemon flavoured kind of thing, but just kind of flipping it up a little bit, inspiration. Again, sticking to a rule of a lifetime, 60ml, 2 ounces, double bubble, 10 and 50. Here we go, lovely, 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 lovely. So vanilla vodka. My old limoncello. I'm going 15, half an ounce of limoncello. Here we go. Oh, this is good. I just want to go back to Italy beside Lake Garda. Oh, little shots of limoncello. That'd be amazing. Right, lemon juice, freshly squeezed lemon juice. What did I say for this? I've forgotten what I did. 25ml. I think that's going to be a bit too much. I'm going 20ml, which is obviously 2/3 of an ounce. There we go. I'm just dialing it back by 5ml. And then, yeah, that's where we went. Then the sugar syrup. Might have to cut for this because I haven't got it. It's right in this corner. Oh no, we're all right. We're good. Hibiscus. Lemon and hibiscus. Amazing. Love it. So this is my sweetness. So I've kind of got a lemon martini, lemon drop martini, but with a bit of hibiscus. Oh. Amazing. I've done this as a Collins. I've never done this without the mixer, the kind of soda water. So I've done like a lemon hibiscus kind of Collins. Magical. Right, 15ml. I told you it's nuts, isn't it? It's absolutely nuts. I'm all about just giving inspiration, thinking flavours, what work together, what can we use, what syrups have we got, what flavours have we got behind me. That's what I'm all about. Right, ice this up. Proper. Have I got enough ice? Yeah, we got enough ice in there. One more. Oh, that'll do. I'm the last bit of ice in it. Right, hard fast shake. 10, 12 seconds. Right then. Can't wait to try this. So, serving this up. As I said, we're not going martini. We're going rocks glass. And I've got one. I've got a ball in there. Got an ice ball. Gonna pop that in there. Amazing. Where's my strainer? It's just single strain this out. Actually, I'm going to double strain because my ice is there. I want it proper. So I'm just going to double strain. Oh, lemon and hibiscus. Something or other. Oh, garnish for this. So I've got some more mint here. I was going to do a lemon zest. But I think I might just do a bit of lemon, a bit of mint in there. No need for a straw on that one. So there we go. Kind of a lemon drop martini with hibiscus in a rocks glass. That hibiscus syrup's actually not that sweet. So for some of you, I think you might even need to add like maybe 5-10 ml of sugar. I don't think adding any more hibiscus would kind of work. That is perfect for me, but it is kind of on that sort of tart, the sort of lemon cherry. Oh. They are 3 stunning drinks. I absolutely love them. I don't know what my favourite is. Let me know in the comments below what your favourite. Which one would you go for? Oh, summer day. Oh, evening sipper. Oh, I don't know. I think I would go that one personally. I don't know. Anyway, as I say, smash the like button if you love this. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of my future content. I don't know what I'm doing in the next vodka one, so I know I've got at least another 6 kind of famous vodka cocktails to kind of flip up. As I say, comments below, name me your favourite vodka cocktails, and if I've missed any, hopefully we'll be able to kind of rock them out and flip them up for you. But there we go. What we got? We got a rhubarb and cinnamon vodka Collins. We've got a French martini that's nothing French apart from the morning, and we've got a lemon drop and hibiscus in a rocks glass. See you in the next one.